guess you're gonna run the red light. Oh yeah, you're crawling already. There you go. Dump truck. Are you actually braking? Okay, and no blinker, no brake lights. No idea how to work a clutch. Okay. Yeah, go that way instead. 31, 86. Ew! Jesus H. Christ. You know what those are, don't ya? What did you... You just went straight from the turn lane, didn't you? What the hell's going on back there? Uh-huh. Yep. Scum! Toyota scum! What the hell is that? What are you doing? Asshole! Asshole, masshole. Up and down. Stop! What, you shithead. You're another one. Go, make a slide. Thank you. Go. Thanks. Don't run the red. You just run the red. Exit dive. Oh God. You're not using the turn lane to pass, are you? Why, yes you are. Biker douche. Get off my ass, thank you. I like spraying it with washer fluid. Scumbag, either make your illegal pass or get off my butt. Thank you. You're gonna get yourself killed and I won't feel bad about it. You know that? Later, scum stain. speed up so I can't merge. Thank you. Um, 7A418. I don't think your license plate is supposed to be upside down. Kind of a mark of a douchebag, I would say. He's going to cause some trouble sometime, somewhere. And you can get off my ass. And you can get off his ass. Up there he did it. Straight from the turn lane. Ran the red.